Hello, and welcome to Uniform Media. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a free VPN to your computer. It's a really simple process, so let's dive right in. First, open up any web browser you like. Now, in the search bar, type in Proton VPN and hit enter. Click on the first result, which should be the official Proton VPN website. Once you're on the site, click on Download, and then select the desktop version for Windows. Next, click on Download Proton VPN to start the download process. Now we just need to wait for Proton VPN to download. Once the download is complete, open the installer to start the installation process. Now, choose your language and click OK. Here I'm going to uncheck the Proton Drive option and then click Next. Finally, click Install and let it do its thing. Once the installation is done, you should see a Proton VPN shortcut on your desktop. Go ahead and open it. Now, since we don't have an account yet, we'll need to create one. Now, click on Sign up for free. Enter your email address and click Start using Proton. Next, create a password by clicking on Choose My Own Password. Enter your desired password and click Set New Password. You'll need to check your email to verify your address. Once you've done that, head back to the Proton VPN app. Now that you have an account, log in with your email and password. And that's it. To use the VPN, just click Quick Connect, and you'll be browsing with a new IP address. If you want to change your IP address, click on Change Server. Keep in mind, with the free version, you might have to wait a bit between changes. When you're done and want to go back to your original IP, just click Disconnect. You've now got a free VPN set up on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.